What's going on, guys? You already know what's going on. We are pulling the Trans in the Cavalier so I can drive it because the slave cylinder went bad in it. So that is on the agenda for today and possibly tomorrow. It all depends on how much we get done. I'm trying to find the socket. Found it. Okay. Alright guys, we're in good shape. I got the two sockets. Do we need just these two? Do we need just these? I don't know. I don't remember which one it is. Well, we have a 30. We bought a 30 and a 32, so one of these fits.
Let's make sure my car start does. We'll leave mine out. It's not supposed to rain. That way you can get yours in, because it has no window.
Yeah, I mean we could pull it underneath of that. I don't know if you want to. Yeah. Let's see if this thing starts. Hopefully it starts. Ooh, it's a no-go. Is the battery done? Sound like it doesn't have any cranking amps.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so my dad's car started up. I got the sockets for the axles. So all we're gonna do now is walk back up here to the front and pop these nuts off for the sockets. Pop these nuts off of the axles and we should be good to go. Hopefully I say. All right, there. I guess there ain't that much transmission fluid in there.
Alright, you gotta disconnect the battery.
Okay. I just assume everything's a 13 because more times than not it is. All right.
Fucker got mounts right there.
Yeah, it's got two tranny mounts. One you can get from the top and one is right here.
Yeah, this one's right here. We gotta take this fucking bullshit case out.
If we left that off, do you think it'd be fine?
What? This?
That plastic? Or should we leave it on?
No, leave it on. You're gonna have to drill with that one little socket again.
Oh. Which one? This one?
Yeah, big gun with that little. I'll take all these screws out and take this piece out.
Um.
This has to come out.
Too bad we can't get a lift installed up here that's small. So all we have is just that one mount. That
back there.
And then unbolted off the engine.
Oh yeah, that's the hardest part.
That's where we'll probably need the jack underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, it still has that clip on it.
Yeah, I know, but you gotta take it off to get it out. You gotta get this line out.
But that's a line we'll be reusing, right?
This piece, yeah.
I'd say we could use the one on the other car, but I'm pretty sure we cut it.
I'm pretty sure you did.
Because it wasn't worth trying to...
Bring the bucket over here because we're going to lose all the brake fluid.
Let me know how close it is. Right there. Oh, that's right. I put some in it. Or we won't lose any.
No, because it's got the valve. Okay, we're good. It's just going to leak out of there, but...
That's what we're changing anyway, so...
Yeah, we're changing
That's
that
so
piece.
dumb that that's in there.
Alright, so... I still got to get that one off, but we can do it when we drop the transmission down.
Which the other mount is right
right back
there.
There's bolts right there to
You
hold
know-
it in.
You know why it was easier when we did on the other car? Because none of this was here.
And now it's all here.
That's here now. So, to give a little update, because I wasn't able to film very much, so you guys can see. You can't see that much, but the engine and trans are separated right now. My dad forgot the cutoff wheel to notch the frame, so the trans will slide straight out. So, that's on the to-do list for tomorrow. I'm also pulling the, make it so you can see, the big brakes. I'm pulling them off. I'm mainly taking them off because I can't get parts for them right now. So they're going to be off until I can get some parts for them. Mainly the rotors, but you guys already know that because I say it in like every video. But I'm finally taking those off, and it's a good thing I am because the pads are almost gone. So that's coming off tomorrow. Swapping the old stuff back on, well, new old stuff. I'm going to be painting those as well, and then putting them on. And pretty much just finishing everything that we didn't get accomplished today. So, yeah, I mean, we're kind of at the halfway point, so I can't really complain too much. I know this is kind of a short video, mainly because it's just hard to film and work on it at the same time without somebody filming. So, lost my train of thought because Rochelle's out here.
You got a squirrel. You get a baby.
So, yeah, we're going to be finishing that up tomorrow. I'll probably have Matt over here tomorrow because he likes to help out. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Matt. We're going to make the cab significantly better.